Hey there. Have you ever heard of a poo? Surprisingly, the average person doesn't know what it is. But don't worry, in this video, we're about to unveil the secrets of this powerful component that drives stunning visuals and mind-blowing graphics. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of PUS. What is a poo? A poo, or Graphics Processing Unit, is a specialized electronic circuit responsible for rendering and processing images, videos, and graphics in computers, gaming consoles, and mobile devices. Think of it as the artistic genius behind the scenes, taking complex mathematical calculations and turning them into visually captivating masterpieces. Imagine playing your favorite video game without breathtaking graphics. The immersive worlds, detailed characters, and realistic environments would be sorely missed. That's where PUS come in. They play a pivotal role in delivering stunning visuals and ensuring smooth performance, creating immersive experiences that captivate our senses. In fact, did you know that PUS are up to 100 times more powerful than CPUs in certain graphics-related tasks? That's the level of computational firepower they bring to the table. Now, you might wonder, how does a PU differ from a CPU? While CPUs, central processing units, handle various tasks, such as calculations and running programs, PUS are designed specifically for parallel processing and accelerating graphics-related tasks. They're like the supercharged engines of graphical computations. PU architecture and algorithms enable simultaneous calculations for real-time rendering, complex shaders, and high frame rates in games. Applications of PUS. Gaming and graphics are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the capabilities of PUS. These powerhouses find applications in various fields. For example, in the field of deep learning, PUS have revolutionized the training of complex neural networks. Their parallel processing capabilities enable faster training times, reducing the time it takes to develop advanced AI models. In scientific research, PUS are used to accelerate simulations and calculations, allowing scientists to make discoveries and breakthroughs more efficiently. In fact, it's estimated that over 500 scientific papers each month mention the use of PUS in their research. Hold on tight, because the future of PUS is even more exciting. As technology advances, we're witnessing the rise of virtual reality, augmented reality, and ultra-high-resolution displays. PUS are at the forefront of delivering mind-bending experiences that blur the line between the digital and physical worlds. They enable lifelike virtual environments, interactive simulations, and immersive VR gaming. With the advent of ray tracing technology, PUS are now capable of rendering highly realistic lighting and reflections, adding an unprecedented level of realism to games and graphical applications. As display technologies evolve, pushing boundaries with higher resolutions and refresh rates, PUS will continue to drive the visual revolution. It's astonishing that many people are unaware of the incredible significance of PUS in our daily lives. Let's change that. Did you know that the global PU market is projected to reach $200 billion by 2028? This highlights the increasing demand and importance of PUS in various industries. Share this video with your friends and family to enlighten them about the hidden marvels of PUS and spark their curiosity. Next time you're admiring a stunningly realistic game or exploring the possibilities of virtual reality, take a moment to appreciate the role of PUS in making it all possible. In a world where visuals dominate our digital experiences, PUS are the unsung heroes behind the mesmerizing graphics that leave us in awe. From gaming to scientific breakthroughs, PUS shape the way we interact with technology. They unleash creativity, accelerate innovation, and push the boundaries.